discussing how machines interpret sensory information. Let's dive into the fascinating topic of how machines, specifically those powered by artificial intelligence, interpret sensory information. Imagine walking into a garden. You see colorful flowers, smell their fragrance, hear birds chirping, and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. As humans, we interpret these sensory experiences effortlessly. Now, what if machines could do the same? AI is making it possible for machines to interpret sensory information in ways similar to humans, transforming how they interact with the world. Let's learn how machines handle various types of sensory information. Vision. Machines interpret visual information through a process called computer vision. This involves using AI to enable computers to understand and analyze images and videos. The machine is trained using large amounts of visual data, learning to recognize patterns, shapes, and objects. For example, an AI system might be trained to identify defective products on an assembly line or recognize faces in a crowd. Hearing. Machines use a technology called automatic speech recognition, that is ASR, to interpret auditory information. ASR converts spoken language into written text, enabling machines to understand human speech. This technology is used in voice-activated assistants like Amazon's Alexa or Apple's Siri. Touch. Haptic technology enables machines to replicate the sense of touch. This can range from simple vibrations in your smartphone to complex haptic gloves used in virtual reality that provide tactile feedback, letting users feel virtual objects. Smell and taste. While these are less common, there are developments in AI that allow machines to interpret smell and taste. Electronic noses and tongues use sensors to detect and differentiate between various chemicals, much like human noses and tongues do. For machines to interpret sensory data, they first collect data through sensors or input devices such as cameras for vision or microphones for hearing. This data is then processed using AI algorithms, often involving machine learning. The machine learns from this data, recognizing patterns and making sense of the information, much like how our brains learn to make sense of sensory data. It's important to remember that while machines are getting better at interpreting sensory information, they don't experience these sensations in the way humans do. For instance, a machine can identify a rose by analyzing an image, but it doesn't experience the rose's beauty or fragrance like a human would. Machines are becoming increasingly capable of interpreting sensory information, transforming how they interact with the world and us. This ability to process and understand sensory data is a key aspect of AI, powering technologies from self-driving cars to voice-activated assistants. So next time you ask Siri a question or feel your phone vibrate, remember, that's a machine interpreting sensory information.